बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है।
आप देख रहे हैं दिल से बातें 454, जहां कहानियां बनती हैं सबक और बातें जाती हैं दिल तक।
Unity is strength. Once upon a time, in a village, an old farmer lived with his 4 sons. He was a hard-working and wise man, but his biggest worry was that his sons always fought among themselves. They would argue over little things and were always angry at each other. The father tried many times to explain, "My sons, if you stay united, no one can harm you. But if you keep fighting, you will become weak." But the sons never listened. One day, the father decided to teach them a practical lesson. He took 4 sticks and tied them into a bundle. Then he called his sons and gave the bundle to the eldest son and said, "Break it." The son tried, but he couldn't break it. The second, third, and fourth sons also tried, but none of them could do it. Then the father untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick. Now each of them broke their stick easily. The father smiled and said, "See? When the sticks were together, no one could break them. But when they were separate, they were easy to break. Just like that, if you stay united, no one will be able to harm you." The sons felt ashamed of their fighting and promised to live together in peace from then on. Moral or lesson: unity is strength. When we stay together, no force can defeat us.